BoJ optimistic inflation will continue to rise. US dollar Japanese yen calm ahead of FOMC. On Wednesday, January 26, the Bank of Japan published the minutes of its January meeting, which were generally optimistic about the outlook for Japan's inflation going forward. Most BoJ officials expect inflation in the country of Sakura to touch 1% in the coming month. In fact, one member said inflation could approach the 2% target. However, the majority of Bank of Japan policymakers emphasized the need to maintain ultra-loose monetary policy in an effort to support the fragile domestic economy, especially after the emergence of the Omicron variant that threatens the global economic recovery. There is a possibility that Japanese consumer inflation on an annual basis could reach 2%. If this scenario occurs, the most important thing is to look at the facts behind the increase in inflation. Whether it is temporary or sustainable, said one of the 9 members of the Bank of Japan's policymakers. Consumer inflation could temporarily reach 1.5% in the first half of 2022. Whether this upward inflationary momentum can be sustained in order for inflation to stabilize near the 2% target will largely depend on trends in labor wages and inflation or overall demand strength, said another Bank of Japan member. However, optimism about the inflation outlook was not fully supported by all members of the Bank of Japan policymakers. Others said they remained skeptical of Japan's inflation outlook in the future, and it will be difficult for inflation to reach the Bank of Japan target of 2% by the end of 2023.